How to make unlimited Gmail account without phone number. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to learn how we can create unlimited amount of Gmail accounts without actually using a phone number. Now previously we used to be able to do this, but now Google has made a strong verification to avoid bots on their platform. But through the help of this video you will still be able to make unlimited amount of Gmail account. In order to do so, I would recommend that you open your browser. You can also use the app, but that is totally dependent upon your own choice. I will simply go incognito because I have got various different accounts on my computer, on my phone. Now, once I'm here, it's going to ask me to sign in, but obviously I don't want to sign in, so I'll tap on this option called Create Account right here. Then I will select the option called For My Personal Use. And when I do that, I'm simply going to type in my first name, followed by my last name, and if I want to, I can just tap on the next option. Next up, I have to choose a date of birth. Make sure that you're at least over 18 years of age when you do this, or also make sure, even if you're not 18 years, enter a date of birth that would make you over 18 years so as not to face any type of restriction later on. Once you choose your gender, tap on the next option. On the next tab, you have to choose your username. Now, username here refers to your email address that is going to be unique to each of your accounts. So all you have to do is type in a unique email address that you might want to use for future purposes and tap on the next option. Finally, you can see it's going to ask me to create my password. So type in your password on this box and retype your password and tap the next option. Once you've done that, you can see even without a verification phone number, we will be able to create a Gmail account. And you can do this unlimited number of times with unlimited number of accounts. And if this video helped you, do make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.